All right, good morning guys. I'm back with day 2 of our videos. This one is going to be subtracting fractions with unlike denominators using money. So our first problem is 1 3/4 minus 2/10. So I have that whole, and as I tell the kids, I like to think of that whole as $1. So I have $1. Then my fraction is 3/4. Now, last time we explained that what coin do I need 4 of to make $1? Well, I need a quarter. They're quarters. I need 4 quarters to make $1. So my numerator tells me how many of those quarters I have. So if I have 3 quarters, I have 75 cents. Now, I loved your feedback last time, and one feedback that I received was we understand how to make equivalent fractions, but we don't understand how to explain it to each other. We don't understand this one is correct and this is why. So 3 quarters is 75. If I have 4 quarters, then I have 100. So my denominator is 100. 3/4 and 75/100 are equivalent. Now I'm going to subtract 2/10. What coin do I need 10 of to make $1? Well, 10 groups of 10, that's 100. So 10 cents is going to give me 100, 10 of those. So if I have 2 dimes, then I've got 20 cents. And 10 dimes is going to give me 100. So now, back to the old school way, you can see that my denominators are now the same. 20 hundredths is equivalent to 2/10. Now we can subtract. So 75 hundredths minus 20 hundredths, that's going to give us 55 hundredths, and then we've got our whole. And then if I was going to write that using money, because I teach my kids that fractions and money and decimals go hand in hand. We have $1.55. So I'll give you a couple of seconds just to look at that, and then we'll try one more. Let's see. All right, let's do 9/10. Actually, I think I have one more after this one. But 9/10, we've already established the tenths. 1/10 would be 10 cents. So 9/10 is going to give us 90 cents. Because if we have 9 dimes, we have 90 cents. And if we have 10 dimes, then we have $1. We have 100. And then a half, well, you have to ask yourself, if I have 2 coins, what coin do I need to make $1? Well, that's half $1. So if I have 1 half dollar, then I have 50 cents. And if I have 2 half dollars, then I have a whole dollar. So now my denominators are the same. 90 hundredths minus 50 hundredths will give us 40 hundredths. And then if you wanted to continue, you may, someone may get 40 hundredths, but then your child might say 4/10. And either one of those are correct because they're equivalent. And if you wanted to take it a step further, 2 will go into 4 twice, and 2 will go into 10 5 times. So it could even be 2/5. Either one of those are correct because they are equivalent. Now, I loved your feedback last time. Continue that. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any suggestions or something came home and you're like, oh, I don't understand this, or my child is really struggling with this, I would love to see a video on it, let me know. I've got 2 problems for you to try at home with your child. 2/4 minus a half. They should be able to see right away that there's an equivalent fraction there. And then 3/4 minus 6/10. So try these at home. Get those denominators to be 100 and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.